So I go to France multiple times a year for manufacturing conferences. I thought it was an opportunity to combine art and additive manufacturing in a way that allowed students to experience impressionist paintings and then couple that with the idea of trying to 3D print an impressionist painting. Each student had to visit museums across Paris and Rouen and find their favorite impressionist painting. And what's exciting about it is that Impressionism really has varying degrees of brushstrokes, from Monet's kind of blurry lines that you see with his water lilies to something like more thick brushstrokes that you associate with Van Gogh. And students were tasked with understanding how the different types of paint strokes might impact the printability on their lithophane.
Lithophanes, the main way that they function is changing thickness. You then put it into a program that slices it, makes it into layers, and then that program sends it to the printer and it prints it. Typically, when you're looking at them straight up, they're kind of difficult to tell what the image is. They don't have a lot of detail, but once you put a little light behind them, that's when they really pop.
We have a few photographs because, some students really wanted to 3D print a picture of them in front of the Eiffel Tower. Some of the students got together and were able to pose in front of the Eiffel Tower where it looks like one's holding it and one's leaning up against it. One of the nice things about this particular type of technology with 3D printing lithophanes is that pictures from a smartphone actually show up really, really well. And it's very different than what you see, especially with the Impressionist paintings, which is typically associated with more blurry lines. This class is about converting light to layers, and that was originally the name of the class. We're really merging art and engineering by trying to translate brushstrokes into 3D printed layers.